How to install Nespresso app. So just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. And experience the world of Nespresso on your iPhone or iPad. Nespresso app allows you to buy coffee capsules, machines, and accessories on the go or at home on your iOS device. Enjoy Nespresso shopping experience anytime, anywhere. Refill your stock of capsules and explore new coffees. Find the right machine for you and exclusive accessories to complete your coffee corner at home. Stay up to date with the latest Nespresso limited edition coffees. Discover the nearest Nespresso points of interest. Get notified when your capsule stock is running low. Just like if you're an Espresso customer, definitely you will need to have this app. It just simplifies life for you. And then you can just open it up, and then you can access to your machine. Just connect your machine over Bluetooth, allow notifications, and have different capsules. You can just buy them. I don't know if you buy on the app, you will get some points, and then you can just shop. You can find some packs, some machines if you want to get those, and then if you want, you can get some accessories. That's you can see some prices here, some different machines and all of that, and then you can see your basket, and then you can see your account. So that's basically the process how you can get started, and then you can get it delivered. So that's basically how it works. If you're using Nespresso, just get this app, download the account, and that can be just a bit easier for you. Then you can just browse all the different things and then just order from this app and then just get the delivery. And there are all these different designs and all of that. So try it out.